We've just acquired this Audi S4. It's in lovely condition considering its age and mileage. It drives absolutely superb. It's got an upgraded sports performance exhaust. So it's probably had the resonators removed. It's got an upgraded air filter. Air filter's there for the original. It's got a stage 1 rematch. We have the receipt for. It's recently had a new reconditioned gearbox in it, and we've fully checked the car over. It drives superb. Full leather interior, S4 embossed seats. Inside, upgraded paddle shift on the gearbox, got cruise control, S4 steering wheel, auto headlights. It's got factory fitted satellite navigation. It's got heated seats here. Also got the dynamic pack for how you drive it and the suspension setup. A lot of buttons, centre armrest. Considering the age and the mileage, there's not much wear on it. It is the Quattro, obviously, 4-wheel drive. It's got the multimedia system. I'll just start a voice in here how it sounds, by the way. Sounds lovely. At DJH, with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.